Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Micro 1 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We pretty much deep cleaned the whole thing, the brew assembly of the machine. Yeah, this was the previous condition of the machine inside. See, can focus. As you can see, it had a bunch of cobwebs and it was pretty dirty in there. That's the infuser itself, that's inside the infuser. So we pretty much cleaned all that, as you can see on the machine itself. It looks so much better, so much cleaner. We also had to replace the reed sensor, the one that you see right here. This one was failing. We found out when we were descaling the machine that it was not detecting the water tank, and it was an intermediate issue, so we basically had to replace the whole sensor, as you can see. And that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Perfect, 2 ounces of water, which is great. We're not using a very cold, we're using right in the middle. We're using the grinder size is right in the middle. We would like some more crema, we can get it. We can just make the grind a little bit finer and we can have a little bit more crema, and vice versa. If we want less crema, we can just make it coarser and have a little bit less crema. Right now it's working perfectly fine, and there you have it, Jura and a Micro 1 working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.